Imagine you are part of the team and you are tasked with building a really cool project like creating a new video game or designing the fun app. Now we can think of Scrum as a way to organize and manage this teamwork to make sure everything gets done smoothly and efficiently. In Scrum, the work is divided into smaller parts and it is called sprints. And each sprint is like a mini race where a team focuses on completing the specific task or goals within the short period of time. And the sprint is around 1 to 4 weeks. Now we will see how Scrum works. The first point is team collaboration. The team works closely together, almost like a players on the sports team. Everyone has a role and knows what needs to be done. The second point is daily stand-ups. Imagine having a quick team huddle every day to discuss what everyone did yesterday, what they are doing today, and if they have any challenges. It is like keeping everyone on the same page. Third point is backlog and prioritization. There is a backlog or a list of all the tasks that needs to be completed. The team along with the project owner or manager decides what is most important and prioritize this task. The fourth point is iterative progress. Instead of trying to do everything at once, Scrum encourages doing a little bit at a time and continuously improving. And each sprint builds upon the last one, like adding pieces to the puzzle until the whole picture is complete. Fifth point is review and adopt. At the end of each sprint, the team looks back at what was accomplished and discusses what could be done better next time. This helps the team to learn and adopt as they go along. Overall, Scrum is like a game plan that helps teams to stay organized, work efficiently, and deliver awesome results. Scrum is flexible enough to handle changes and challenges, which makes Scrum is a popular method for many modern projects. So if you hear someone talking about Scrum, just think of Scrum as a smart and effective way for teams to tackle big tasks and create amazing things together. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.